Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we are going to make French onion soup. I think it's one of the best French onion soups. We love it, and it's something that we enjoy on a cold day like today. Today is -20 and it's snowing, it's cold, it's miserable. So on a cold day, what's better than a nice soup? So what we got is the frying pan. I'm going to turn her on here, and I take some butter. It's pretty simple. It's awesome. Chunk of butter. There you go. I don't measure nothing. Okay. Get that going. And as that's rendering down, we're going to take a red onion, which I enjoy using. I cut it in half, and then I just slice it up like this. I don't like it too thin or small pieces because it renders down once you fry it, and you kind of want to taste it, right? So just cut it in half one more time. Nothing fancy here. Just chunks. We like the red onion. Just gives a nice flavor. You can use whatever onion you want. Sweet, regular onion, doesn't really matter. But we enjoy this. And then again, and that's it. I wouldn't cut it any smaller than that. And we got our plate here. And it's one whole onion. I got two here. We're just going to make one little pot here for us. It gives us 3 bowls. There we go. And that's coming down there, the butter. You can use less butter if you want, but that's what I use. Throw that in there. Nothing fancy. This will make 3 nice big bowls. Put that aside. Then we got our pot right here. Just turn that on high. Get that going. I use beef broth. It's 900 mils. Dump that in the pot. There you go. Bam. Simple. Nothing fancy. Put that to the side. Next thing I use is just a onion soup mix. Take that, 1 pack. Dump her in. Okay, there you go. Crumple it up. And as that's going there, we're gonna get this onions going, saute them up. Get them rendered down in that nice butter. And then I like to use the Himalayan pink salt. You can use whatever you like. Just a bit of it in there. I don't measure anything. I'm like my mama. A little bit of pepper. And we just love this French onion soup. It's really hearty. It's kind of heavy, but it's good. Then I like to use this Havarti creamy, smooth and mild cheese. So while that's cooking down, I'll slice some of this up. You can grate it, you can slice it, whatever you like. But I usually put about 4 pieces onto the bowl. And like that. And then we got a little bit of garlic. There's Hunter, he's waiting for a piece of cheese.
Hunter.
You want some cheese?
He's had cheese.
Yeah, he's got enough cheese. So 2 cloves of garlic. Like I say, on a cold day, if you're not feeling very good or whatever, the soup is going to make you feel real good. Take that, scoop her in, and that goes into the liquid. Now don't fry it up, because otherwise you're going to have that burnt flavor. Renders that down, it's getting there. Oh, it smells good already. I wish you could smell that,
Smell that onions and butter.
Oh, awesome. Okay, and as that's going down, we're going to cut up some green onion here. One whole green onion. I use this for the garnish at the end. I'll show you a little bit later once it's all done. Now let's do a little.
Yeah, a little more.
There you go. Check this out. It's getting there. Cook away. Okay, secret ingredient. Oh, we're going to put, again, is some Crown Royal salted caramel in there. In with the onions. Now that's going to give it a nice flavor. A little bit of sweet. Oh, smell that. Goodness. Wow. And that's just rendering down. Oh, smell that here.
It smells good.
Oh. Okay. Then I take just a regular red wine and I throw in 2 ounces in with the sauce. There you go. Mix that up with my golden spoon. And this doesn't have to boil or anything like that. It's going to go in the oven anyway. It's just get the flavors mixed together. We're almost ready here. Turn that down. And then if you want
A shot for the cook.
a shot for the cook. Oh, that's good stuff. Okay, almost there, guys.
Ooh, it smells good.
You gotta try this. Like I say, on a cold day like today, nothing better. And that alcohol is rendering down a bit, but the flavor goes in with onions. Trust me, it's really good. And if you don't want to put the alcohol in there, you don't have to. You don't want to put the wine in there, you don't have to. But I'm just showing you what we like. Okay. You know, and I don't like to crisp them up too much. Just enough that it's
Soft.
soft and rendering down. The alcohol's kind of still in there, but it does smell good, guys. Turn that one off, move this one over. What we're going to do now is put all that into the broth. All the goodness, boom, just like that. Now, golden spoon again, stir that up. Oh, that smells. Awesome. Okay guys, then what we do, we got some French bread. Can't have French onion without French bread, right? Take a couple slices of that. There you go, throw that to the side. Boom, throw it in the toaster. In the toaster it goes. Get nice and crunchy. That's just cooking up there. There we go. And we throw them in these little white bowls. What I like to do is take a pan, because once the cheese melts, it's not in Europe, all over the oven, right? So that's cooking away. And like I say, it doesn't have to boil, nothing. It's just rendering the flavors all together. And our toast is cooking away. We don't edit any of our videos, so it's just as is what it
Raw.
is. It's raw footage. So if I screw up, I screw up. Look at that, all that goodness in there. Those onions. See, that's why I don't cut them too small. That way, when you're eating it, you get some onion taste. Throw it in the bowls. You got all that whiskey in there, and wine, and beef broth, garlic, onions, Himalayan salt. Okay, a little bit more in there, and you see that does almost, you could almost get 3 bowls out of it. I like to fill it almost to the top, because we're going to be adding some bread. Turn that off, and then boom, oil on. Toast should be almost toasted. And get it, you know, don't make it too dark, but I like it crunchy anyway, because it gets a little bit soggy in the broth. And then you can throw a little bit of pepper on top. Bread should be ready. Cut her up. Like, how long is this taking, guys? Nothing. Cut it up. Nothing fancy. Boom. You can add more bread if you want. Take the bread, throw on top of that goodness. I'm just down below me there, picking up the bits. And what I do is I take the cheese, throw it on top, layer it. You can put on as much or as little as you want. I like lots, so that's what you're getting. Ain't gonna hurt you. Wow. Okay. There you go. So I'm just going to clean this board off here. Now, what we got is the power of TV here. We got one cooking in there. And that's almost ready. And I'll throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Get it nice and hot, and then put it on broil on high. And just keep an eye on it for a couple minutes until it's nice and crusty. Or creamy, whatever you like. Starting to get there. And then we will move this over. Usually we're doing our hiking videos and outdoor videos and stuff, but since it's winter time, this is what we're kind of doing. So our passion is cooking. I love cooking. So we'll just grab this out of here. There's one ready made. And then at the end, you can leave it a little bit longer if you like. Put a little bit of green onion on there. Hey, look at that. Doesn't that smell good?
Mm-hmm.
And you mix that up. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. I am going to try this.
Oh, it's going to be hot.
Yeah, it will burn your mouth right off. Mix it up. You can mix it up.
You want to put those two in?
Yeah. Fire these two in there. There we go. Let's try this, guys. Let's try this together. Damn, that's hot.
Mm.
Okay, let's try this. Whoa, that smells so good with that whiskey in there. That wine. A little bit of cheese. Bread. It's hot. Mmm.
Hmm?
Guys, that is so good. You can taste the wine, you can taste the whiskey, the onions. It's just perfect. That cheese is just great. It's so good. Is it Hunter approved? Yeah? Oh man. With the golden spoon. Mmm. Oh. Guys, you gotta try it. Let me know in the comments what you think, or what you would add or wouldn't add to it. Try it. You'll love it. On a cold day, nothing better. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Put your likes up, likes down, whatever you want to do. We'll talk to you in the next one. Ciao.